किसान देश के अन्नदाता होते हैं और हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमेशा किसानों के हित में ही काम किया है। हमें सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहिए कि ताकि हम और आने वाले समय में अच्छा काम कर सकें। गवर्नमेंट हैज डन एवरीथिंग राइट for the farmers, for the workers. Government has done a good job.
Your opponents also accusing you of being silent when farmers were doing protest in Haryana. They were being stopped from going to Delhi, and you were in Congress, but you were silent. What was the reason, and how do you take this?
No, I was focusing on my work. I was always been in touch with people, and there weren't really any people from Haryana. People who were stopped, they were from Punjab. And what's the point? Somebody wants to say something in a peaceful manner, they can. But if the government wants to keep law and order and not create any kind of inconvenience for the people, how can? So there's nothing. Farmers in Haryana are very happy. You can speak to them; they have no issues. It's just some people with vested interest, they try to create issues. Otherwise, farmers in Haryana are very happy.
Okay, so you are meeting farmers, and
Yeah,
you
we're
are
meeting
not
people all
finding
the
any
time.
kind of
No, I mean, you can speak to everybody. Everybody has problems. It's not something that I'm sure you have many problems. I have many problems, but does it have something to do with your family or government, or it depends what the issue is. But on the overall, people are very happy with the government. Government has done everything right for the farmers, for the workers. Government has done a good job.
One announcement you would like to make for the farmers of this area, because they are little agitated, because I have talked to so many people.
Sure.
I have seen and witnessed this agitation. So one announcement you would like to do as BJP candidate from Kurukshetra.
देखिए, मैं अपने किसान भाइयों को मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि किसान देश के अन्नदाता होते हैं और हमारे लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमेशा किसानों के हित में ही काम किया है, हित में ही फैसले लिए हैं और आगे आने वाले समय में भी हम यही चाहते हैं कि हमारे किसान भाई बहन सारे बहुत खुशहाल हों, संपन्न हों। तो इसलिए
ये बम्पी राइड है, थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिकल भी है, बम्पी राइड और वैसे
ये कुछ सड़क बन रही है, तो इसलिए काफी हिलजुल रही है। इसलिए हमें सभी का आशीर्वाद चाहिए कि ताकि हम और आने वाले समय में अच्छा काम कर सकें। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही है जिसने जितने भी छोटे किसान थे जिनकी 5 एकड़ से जमीन कम है, उनको 6,000 रुपए की सम्मान निधि और हर वर्ष दे रही है। यही पार्टी है जो कि किसानों के खाते में डायरेक्टली पैसा दे रही है, ना कि किसी बिचौलियों के थ्रू, ताकि किसान को पैसे जो है डायरेक्टली मिले। तो इस तरह के बहुत से सुधार किए गए हैं और आने वाले समय में जो किसान भाइयों की बहनों की जो भी उनकी आवश्यकताएं होंगी, हम उनको पूरा करेंगे।
How do you see the caste dynamics of this constituency? Because
I don't focus on caste dynamics. I have supporters from all across. I do not go for any particular caste or anything. Neither do I believe in it. And I think these are the things of the past. Okay, today we have to rise above the caste, above all these affiliations, even above party affiliations, and see what is in the best interest of the country. Okay, here we have an opportunity. People have an opportunity to build the country of their dreams, to vote for a party that wants to make India a developed country.